What's your name?
Ariana.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Arey wow. What's the name of your country?
India.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
Arey wow. President?
Pranab Mukherjee.
Clever. Who is the father of our nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
National anthem? Which is our
Janaganam.
Yes. National animal?
Tiger.
National bird?
Peacock.
National fruit?
Mango.
National sport?
Hockey.
National tree?
Bunny tree.
Which animal runs fastest?
Cheetah.
Who is this? Reliance?
Ambani.
Tata?
Ratan Tata.
Very good. Now all the capitals, okay? What's the capital of India?
New Delhi.
Clever. England?
London.
USA?
Washington DC.
Canada?
Ottawa.
Japan?
Tokyo.
Clever. Australia?
Canberra.
Malaysia?
Kuala Lumpur.
Thailand?
Bangkok.
France?
Paris.
Germany?
Berlin.
Switzerland?
Bonn.
South Africa?
Victoria.
Clever. Kenya?
Nairobi.
Philippines?
Manila.
Fiji?
Tua.
Russia?
Moscow.
Colombia?
Bogota.
Afghanistan?
Kabul.
Pakistan?
Islamabad.
South Korea?
Seoul.
Clever. Norway?
Oslo.
Austria?
Vienna.
Israel?
Jerusalem.
Jordan?
Oman.
Sri Lanka?
Colombo.
Saudi Arabia?
Riyadh.
Nepal?
Kathmandu.
Burma?
Rangoon.
Bangladesh?
Dhaka.
New Zealand?
Wellington.
Very good. Spain?
Madrid.
Clever. Italy?
Rome.
Bahrain?
Manama.
Bulgaria?
Sofia.
Bhutan?
Thimphu.
China?
Beijing.
Cuba?
Havana.
Czech Republic?
Prague.
Sweden?
Stockholm.
East Timor?
Oli.
Egypt?
Cairo.
Greece?
Athens.
Hungary?
Budapest.
Indonesia?
Jakarta.
Iran?
Tehran.
Brazil?
Brasilia.
Ireland?
Dublin.
Jamaica?
Houston.
Latvia?
Giza.
Maldives?
Male.
Oman?
Muscat.
Peru?
Lima.
Qatar?
Doha.
Poland?
Warsaw.
Zimbabwe?
Harare.
Iraq?
Tehran.
Iraq?
Baghdad.
Clever. Morocco?
Rabat.
Turkey?
Istanbul.
Belgium?
Kazan.
Very good, Ariana. Say bye.
Bye.
Tata.
Tata.